Right now, we are in Jienge County in Guangyuan City of southwest China's Sichuan province. And today, we have a special guest. She is from the United States, and she has been to Shudao, or Roads to Shu Kingdom, which has a history of more than 2 millennia, for 24 times. And today, let's hike with her. Why is the Shudao so captivating for you?
It's just so beautiful and so old. That's it. Nowhere else in the world could you see this. It's only here. So I have to come back if I want to see it. The Chinese love old trees. Even in cities, any old tree is well preserved. I did not realize that records were kept of the trees and handed down to the next generation, and they were responsible. And if one of the trees died, it would be their responsibility. But I didn't realize that records were kept so diligently until today.
As I know, in Sichuan, these trees are well protected.
Yes.
And every one of them even got their ID card.
Right.
When you pass some trees, there is a QR code.
But go ahead, scan it.
Yeah.
It
got
scans.
all the information.
Yeah, it's got all the information. And it does it really quick, and it has the number too.
Yes.
So you know this is 706.
This is identity card.
Yes.
Jisটmeen is planting a tree here in Shudao, Cuyonglang region. She once said the trees are like part of her. She left part of her in China and in Sichuan in Shudao.